We got ourselves Momma Hen with all the little chickies. Look at those cute little chickies, huh? Hey there. Cute how they get on her back. Look at them all. Look at the cute little chickies. Four there, 5. 6, 7. Yeah, there's 7. Alright, so they are well established in Clucking Hen Palace, doing well, having a good time. They got lots of food, they got lots of water. Hey. There's happily fallen Mama. Gave Mama some dirt there. She's super happy. She's scratching it. It's funny because she went into it first, kicked the chicks out. Now hopefully they can get in there. Yeah, so with the chicks, the key is you want to give them just the chick feed. You know, if Momma Hen makes it real easy for you, but you got the chick feed, you got the water. And we give them some dirt, especially like gravel type dirt, any kind of dirt that's got rocks. They're gonna love because it helps them with digesting their food. All right. So you don't have to really worry a lot about chicks when it comes to, even if you raise them from eggs yourself with a incubator and then a brooder. You know, the key is just making sure you get them some good greens, get them some gravel type stuff. They know what they can eat, what they can't eat. You know, obviously with the water, you got to get them used to drinking from the water. But overall, man, they do really well. So you really don't have to worry too much. And Mama especially, when you got Mama, so much easier because she just directs them to the food, directs them to the dirt, directs them to the water. She's always on the move trying to help out and do her job. So she's a good mama. And when they're mamas, they're doing great. They're happy. So just keep that in mind. It's not too much work. It's so much better with a Momma Hen. Also, with the main flock, you know, I kept them well fed. Got water inside because right now we're still worried about raccoons. And I'm going to get them a door that opens and closes with Solar Habit, actually the cheapest version. And the oyster shells are great for their shells. It's been making a big difference. They're doing really well with them. And this is just some of them. They're just hanging out, getting some food and snacks that they're finding there. So that's that with the larger flock. They're having fun. Those oyster shells make a big difference with the shell quality and the strength. Alright, now these chickadees are so big now, and they're afraid. All that time I thought I was recording and I wasn't. That's funny right there. Look at these guys. Look at them. They're looking so good. Yeah, looking good. Hey there. How's everybody doing? Alright, they're doing well. Looking really good. They're big already. Probably 5 weeks worth. Maybe my calculations are off. I gotta look back in time. I think they're about 5 weeks. They're looking good. Alright, Mr. Doc Talk signing off.